Alright, what's going on everyone? I'm Tristan, and today in this video what I'm doing is I have a bunch of under $100 designer items in streetwear or hypebeast clothing items, and I'm just going to be showing them in this video, kind of going over them. I sold all these items on my reselling page, so I bought these items for cheaper and sold them for more, so I've really just been working in my reselling stuff lately, and none of these items are going into my personal collection. I'm not keeping any of these. Some of them are pretty cool, but this is just a little video I want to do, a little haul video, since I've had a lot of stuff come in and I really haven't been showing it, but I've been doing my reselling, so I got some stuff I want to show you all that I feel like is a little cool for this video, so hope you guys will enjoy it. If y'all want more content like this, feel free to go ahead and subscribe below and also drop a like. Let's try and hit 100 likes in this video. Let's see if you can do that. I'd appreciate that. And yeah, I just hope you guys will enjoy. If you want to, follow me on my reselling Instagram in the description, and also on my personal Instagram if y'all want to check out either of those. Hopefully I popped up something for my Instagram maybe, but it's pretty much all I gotta say. Hope you guys will enjoy this, and let's get into showing you guys some cool designer items. Alright, so the first item I really want to go over that I feel like is really cool is this Louis Vuitton green card holder that I have. So I want you all to really take a good look at this. This little epi green card holder. I think this is a really nice design on it. And basically there's the whole front design. You guys saw like the little LV right there in the corner. And then the inside basically just holds like some cards right there. And I think this one's pretty cool. I'm probably going to get something similar to this soon, since I really only have cards. But I'll probably start carrying cash more. So like if I do, then I'm going to need a wallet. But this is something cool. A nice card holder. I sold this one for the deal again. Reselling page in the description if you guys want to get any deals and stuff like that, but this one was actually one of my favorite ones I copped recently for the low to sell, and I really just messed with like the whole, like all the details on it, like the green, and especially this just little thing, the little slight like Louis V thing here. I think that's cool, and I really felt that this item fit, so I was a huge fan when I got this one. And very simple and just inside design, like a card on the inside, you know, would just fit nicely in there. Let's see if I have one. Gotta do it. I have like a little card I can show as an example right here, but basically looking at this, like a card, you know, fit in there like that, so you know, fits in, got some space, but I'm gonna take that out, you know. But looking at this, there's the inside of it, and the outside, again, just a nice green. Really messed with the little Louis right there in the corner, as I said. And got some more ones, like for example, another one that I got that I thought was really cool. I got this Gucci wallet right here, so I want you all to really check this one out. It's like an orange, and then you got like the Gucci monogram going all around it, kind of wraps around, and I think that's pretty cool. And the coin pouch, you see, very nice design. Again, really nice orange, like kind of like leather. This is this older wallet, definitely vintage, I'd say. And then on the inside, as you guys can tell, you got a lot of space to fit stuff. So this is like a legitimate wallet. You can kind of fit everything, you know. It has like a nice little coin pouch on the back. Everything still clips together, so this one's in good condition. And then you got a big coin pouch. You can hold a lot of coins or whatever you would put in there, you know. Whatever you'd want to fit there, then it would. This is a nice one I sold on my reselling page too. I traded this one actually, so then I sold some other stuff that I actually got from this. I think I traded this for a vape tee or something, and then I sold that vape tee, and then they also added cash and stuff like that. So you know, I negotiated a good deal when I traded this item, but pretty cool one. That's still in really nice condition. Like I messed with this wallet heavy. It's definitely, I think, a more valuable piece, since I haven't really seen this one around almost anywhere. I haven't not seen this wallet, so this is something pretty different. But yeah, I really messed with it, and I mean, I don't know if I regret selling it yet. haven't decided, but I feel like I can find a better wallet than this. But this one is still probably one of my favorites. Just the orange and then the monogram. I'm like an orange, like super bright orange. It's just a nice color, like really well done colorway. So I'll figure out whether I regret it or not. But traded this one. Got a good deal. I also got this tee that I traded. Yeah, I traded this one. This is the Supreme Sumo tee in great condition. As you can see, there's no marks on this tee, but yeah, I just want you guys to peep the design right here. So it's the Sumo tee that I traded. I traded this one for a Supreme headband, so I got a pretty good trade there, as you guys can see. And basically just, you know, it's a Sumo, and then you just got the Supreme box logo right there. Look, like there's a Sumo. You got the box logo right there in the corner. I'm not sure who's to collab with, but it's just a Supreme. It says Supreme Skate Shop right there. That's all it said. It doesn't say anything else. Then you just got a picture of Sumo putting their hair up or whatever. So I guess something pretty interesting, but this was a cool tee they made. This one is actually a size medium, if you guys can tell right there. It's a size, hopefully it'll focus, be a size medium. This is a pretty cool tee, and I'm glad that I was able to sell it, because you know, it's a nice design. But you know, I am going to cop some more tees soon for my personal collection, because I got a lot of tees, but I want even more. Like I want to have like a massive Supreme tee collection. Like I feel like that'd just be super dope to have a bunch of like tees and be able to know what each one's about. Like I feel like that'd be something nice to do. But we got the Supreme Sumo tee right here. Nothing on the back, but the front design, I guess, is something a little different, so I messed with it, you know. I don't know how to feel. Like, I don't think I'd personally rock this tee. I think it is like something a little different. That's why I sold it and was able to get a, or not sell it, but get a good trade on it, because it's actually a cool tee. And I got it for the deal. Like, it goes for a lot more than I got it for. So this one's cool. Supreme Sumo tee. Not something I wear, but pretty cool design on it. And finally, something else that I sold was this Mike Hill tee. The dude still owes me $20 for it, but I'm just not going to ship it out till he pays me it, which he's going to pay me it tonight. So I'll ship all that stuff tomorrow. I have a bunch of orders going out. But as you can see on the Mike Hill tee, basically it's a very simple design. I don't even remember this tee, but it's like a mouse trap. that got a mouse, and then the snake's getting a mouse. So the snake is more effective than the mouse trap right here. And just kind of like the simple design I see from this tee. I don't see anything too crazy other than a mouse getting eaten by a snake. And then also on the back, you know, you got the little Mike Hill portion. I'll show that off. So you guys can see you got Mike Hill's signature, and then it says Supreme, just with the box logo right there. And I think that's pretty cool. This one was a size small when I got it, and I sold this one because, you know, size small, a lot of people wear that, so that one was pretty cool to get. But yeah, I really messed with the little box logo design on the back. It's something very simple, it just goes on the tee, and I mess with that. And then yeah, you know, just got the Mike Hill design in the front. It's a cool long sleeve. I messed with this one. I got this one for way more, or not way more, but way less than it actually goes for. So I'm pretty happy about the deal that I got in this one. So we had the Mike Hill tee. I thought that one was pretty cool, and you know, I was able to get a good sale price on that one. Then I was able to trade the sumo tee, get a pretty good deal there, as I told you guys about Supreme headband. And then I sold this one, as you guys know. I got it again, got a pretty good sale price in this one. And then I traded this item right here for a Bape tee, which I sold the Bape tee, and they added. So pretty much some of the stuff I've done with reselling this week. I got a lot more items that I've sold and talked about, but they just haven't come in yet, so they're not in this video. But a lot of under $100 designer items. This one's pretty cool. Same with, you know, the little LV card holder, but pretty much all I got to discuss. And I hope you guys did enjoy this under $100 items haul with HYPEBEAST clothing and some designer brands. Anyways, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, feel free to go follow me on Instagram down below in the description if you want to check out my reselling account. I got some stuff I'll be posting for sale tonight, and you guys can go check it. And you know, that's pretty much all I gotta say. I mean, this is a pretty simple and short video. I just did a little unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new also though. Almost forgot to say that. And also drop that like. Let's try and hit 100 likes. I'm gonna get this video edited and out today on Friday because I won't be able to post tomorrow, but you know, I'll be posting Sunday also. So we're just staying in a consistent post twice and then take a day off. You know, I think that's a good schedule for my channel. Get 5 videos a week like that. So I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Got some cool stuff that I showed you all, and you know, just drop that like. It'd make my day. So and drop a comment too if you want to. Just drop what you think about the items, or if you want to cop something, go ahead, let me know. And that's all I gotta say. So thank you all for watching. I'm Tristan, and I'm gonna see you on the next video. Peace.